Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into Google and opening Maps in Chrome so your location and settings persist. First, pick satellite or default map style depending on clarity. Satellite gives realistic imagery for zoom. Next, set your browser window or OBS canvas to 16:9 and match recording resolution. Once done, position the map at the starting zoom level and disable UI clutter like side panels. This ensures clean frames. Prepare a smooth input device, like a mouse wheel or virtual camera controller, before recording. Now perform the actual zoom while recording. Zoom steadily using the mouse wheel or a smooth scroll script so frames interpolate cleanly. If using OBS, record at 30 to 60 frames per second and enable browser source if automating the pan and zoom. This reduces stutter. Record a 10-second test and review for jitter. Adjust sensitivity and repeat until smooth. If you prefer perfect control, capture still frames at incremental zooms and import them into your editor to animate with keyframes for frame-accurate motion. Finally, import the recording or image sequence to your editor and trim extraneous frames. Scale and crop to maintain 16:9 proportions, apply stabilization if minor shake exists, and add subtle motion blur to mask microscopic stutter. Export as H.264 MP4 using a bitrate that preserves detail during zoom. If your footage looks jittery, re-record at a higher frame rate or capture smaller zoom increments and interpolate. If tiles or resolution drop appear, switch to satellite imagery or higher zoom level and re-record those segments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.